Happy New Year's, everyone. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate. What have we got today, Jamie, for our New Year special?
Just that. Today we're making a cocktail called the Happy New Year.
Ah, okay.
So,
what's going to make it happy?
what is going to make it happy? So you're going to do 1.5 ounces of the port
Okay.
on ice.
There's ice in there, okay.
Yep. 1.5.
And
1.5 ounces of brandy.
Brandy.
Yep.
That's probably good.
Very port heavy.
Okay. You want a little more brandy in there?
Nope.
Okay.
And then 3.5 ounces of orange juice.
Okay. 1, 2. That's gonna be three.
This is going to make quite a bit of premix. We're just going to give this a bit shake up, and then we're going to top it with some sparkling prosecco, champagne. You got your Dom,
Whatever you got in your fridge. There we go. And Jamie is going to strain that.
so we're just do about half or so.
Okay. That port really turns it to kind of
A great looking color.
yeah, like a sunrise. Now, because it's New Year's,
Of course. Because it's New Year's.
we wanted to celebrate things a little bit. Take an eye. Oh, Happy
New Year! There we go. So we're just going to top with a bit of sparkling.
Okay. Ooh, careful, you might have to.
No, that one's okay.
It's close. There we go. Need a funnel?
Pretty close. Just keep topping.
Keep topping her up a little bit.
A little bit.
Okay, that's probably good.
There you go.
Okay, the Happy New Year cocktail.
There you go.
Fairly easy to make.
Happy New Year.
Let's give it a shot. That's very refreshing.
It's like a boozy
Mimosa. Yeah, that is.
Try that.
Not everybody might have port or bourbon, but if you've got them in your booze cabinet, give this a shot because it's actually quite good.
It's that'd be a good New Year's Day breakfast drink.
Like a
too.
brunch.
There you go.
Yeah.
Give it a shot.
Happy New Year's, everyone.